Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you guys interested to make money online, and Fiverr is the great option for you, and in this video I will show you how to make or how to create an account on Fiverr. So let's begin our video. So first of all, you just need to open your browser. I just opened my Chrome browser and then go to search bar and type Fiverr and then hit the search button. And right now you can find the option www.fiverr.com. Open this link and here you can see guys it's loading, and after open it you can find the option create a new account. You can select any option from there, like here you can see I just selected continue with Google, and after open it select your email address, and then you just need to choose your username. So I just choose my username like Mr. Uh, Max, and here you can see I just need to add something new word like or 0, and then there have a option create my account. Select it. Right now you can select here you can see there have a option something, you can select it or you can do it later. Just select skip, and here you can see some option, you can select it, otherwise you can select skip. And just for me, then next, and then you can select what you are looking for today, a special service or to start a project. You can select start a service, finish it, and start exploring. And here you can see it's open. You can see if you in this corner you can find a option for your profile. Just click here and select profile, and it's loading. You just need to wait. After open it you can see, and here you can see it's new profile, that's why here it's showing new. And when you are member for Fiverr, it's showing here. And here you can see you can change your profile. You can add your profile on here. You can change your name by click on pen button, and you can add description for yourself, and you can change your language. You can add more language on here. You just need to type your skill on here. You just need to type your education on here, and some achievement certificate you just need to type here, and then you simply finish your Fiverr profile perfectly. So that's it. In this way you can create Fiverr account very easily. I hope you can understand. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.